Hey everybody, I'm CM Davis, and this is Little Mountain Stream. Hope you guys like it. Sometimes we all need to get away when our life is starting to fray, to a place that eases our mind, to relax, just to unwind. I wanna go back to that place I know I belong, high on that mountain, singing a song next to that little mountain stream, running fast, running free. It helps to wash my soul from feeling tired and feeling numb. City life has a way of bringing you down, but you know up there I can turn it around. Little mountain stream. Little mountain stream. In a place where life can't be ignored, in God's country where the eagle soars, next to that little mountain stream, running fast, running free. It helps to wash my soul from feeling tired and feeling numb. You know life's so hard when you're just getting by. I wanna go back for that mountain high, next to that little mountain stream, running fast, running free. It helps to wash my soul from feeling tired and feeling numb. Little mountain stream, running fast, running free. It helps to cleanse my soul, to renew me, make me whole. Little mountain stream. Little mountain stream. Little mountain stream. Little mountain stream. Take care and God bless everybody. See you next time.